Hike of the week. We're at the Jack's Knob Trail. We're going to hike up to Brasstown Bald, Georgia's highest point. Hopefully see a good bit of fall color starting today. Beautiful day for a hike. Right now it's partly cloudy. It's supposed to turn fair as the day wears on. Starting to see some pretty good color along the way.
I wish you had a food. That way you could have kept going. Maroon or something. The higher you go, the more.
It's a nice old oak tree up
Still
here.
got two behind us.
We're getting on up near the top, the old gnarly tree here. If you ever decide to do this hike, you need to realize it's very strenuous up the long, long hill. But it's very rewarding to do. Well, we finally made it over the top. We're headed down the hill now. Got to go down the mountain to the parking lot at Brasstown Bald. And then we'll walk up to the visitor center. A good half-mile, fairly steep climb up to it on an asphalt trail. Oh, we made it to the parking lot at Brasstown Bald, and it's really foggy. Looks like I'm going to have to hire a new weatherman because they had forecasted sunny skies. Should have had great visibility. We can't even see Brasstown Bald. Walking the summit trail up to the Brasstown Bald Visitor Center at the peak. Nice asphalt trail. Some very steep places, but it's a little over, it's half a mile or so total. And here's the visitor center at the top. Nice little museum, great observation decks. Fog is blowing around. We hope it'll lift on out while we eat some lunch up here. We're up on the observation decks here at the visitor center. Clouds are blowing through. Fog is moving, but with a very nice view.